Come on, Tosh. Doing good. Yes, you can do it. Puchku is about to. Puchku has climbed to here.
Sometimes random stones there.
Special and
Puchku's Road.
So guys, it is 26th December today and wish you all a Merry Christmas. It was Christmas
Belated.
yesterday, belated Christmas wishes.
New Year
So
advance.
yesterday we had been to Shivaganga. It is a mountain hill and it was Puchku's first ever trekking experience. Puchku, how was your experience? Did you like?
Yeah.
How was, I mean,
he
you...
climbed 600 meters faster than others.
Yeah.
And Vishesh also.
Yeah. And also Sakit and that people.
Yeah, actually it was, we climbed at least 70% we climbed and
80% only.
80%,
Not even 80,
yeah.
80, actually, but only the topmost part was
Asha climbing.
topmost part
Asha
was
was.
very steep actually,
And
so...
was,
when
actually
Asha was
breathtaking.
climbing, Asha was very tired.
Yeah, I got tired, but Puchku was not tired.
Puchku and
Puchku was
Vishwesh
ready
were
to...
not.
Yeah, they were ready to climb
Summit.
to the summit also, but it was very steep, so
And
we
they're going to climb
preferred
the
not to take them
difficult
and I
mountain.
stayed
Yeah, it was
back.
a little risky, that's why.
Yeah, I stayed back and other elders
I
went.
have found another trek also for Puchku. My friend is going for a trek today, so we'll go next time to that trek.
Yeah, so it was really nice actually. If you want for a one-day trip from Bangalore, you can go and have a good time. There are a lot of temples also. I mean, on the way to the trek, there are a lot of temples, so you can visit those temples as well. And you can have a one-day trek and you can come back. So that is how we spent our Christmas yesterday. And evening when we came back, it was Christmas party in our apartment. So we celebrated Christmas party as well, and today now we are going to Ayyappa temple because today it is the last Mandala Kalam which we call. So 41 days
But
of
we have one coin.
ending
Asha
today.
got one.
So we are
Asha
planning
got
to,
one coin.
yeah. So we are planning
And we can
to
put
go
it one.
there because evening it will be very crowded. So we thought of going in the morning and coming back. So we are right now going to the temple, and Puchku is having. He just woke up. We just woke him up and got him ready, and we came. So stay tuned, guys, and keep supporting us. Wish you all a very happy New Year in advance. Keep watching our videos and
Stay tuned for more trip videos
more
when
trip
Kingu comes.
videos coming soon. Yeah, correct. True. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching us and supporting us all this while. Thanks a lot. അങ്ങനെ ഇരുന്ന് ആ കാലാട്ടിയതൊന്ന് കാണിച്ചേ നേരത്തെ ഇപ്പം അങ്ങനല്ല ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരുന്ന് ആട്ടിയത് ആ എങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു അത് ആ കാലാട്ടിയല്ലോ ആ അങ്ങനെ അത് കാണിച്ചേ It's Christmas Eve and wishing everyone, all our viewers, a very happy and Merry Christmas. And today we are going to watch.
My new chappals.
Okay, he's showing his new. Okay, keep it down. Keep it down. Huh.
And
Tell,
put
are you
it back.
excited to watch the movie?
Yeah, and after that I'll do homework.
After that you will do homework. Oh my god, that is very surprising. So guys, we are going to watch 83. If you have watched our previous videos, in that I had mentioned
And
that
how
we are
many
planning to
cricket
go.
shots?
We are planning to go to watch movie 83 and 3 o'clock is our show. and we have booked the entire row. Like Saket's family is there, Satvik's family is there, and Shreyas also there along with us. So I hope it will be like we are going for the theatre after almost 4 years. So it will be Puchku's first movie in theatre. So are you excited, Puchku?
Yeah,
So hope it will be a lot of fun, and I'll let you know how it was and how Puchku liked it, because inside anyways I will not be able to take them. Oh, so so the next awaited movie also has come. We will come back and watch Minnal
What
Murli
is
also.
that Minnal
I think
Murli?
it's a lot of hype. Yeah, it's a lot of hype over Minnal Murli also. It's a Malayalam movie, superhero movie which has come. So hope that will also be watchable and very nice. So stay tuned, and once again wishing you all a very Merry Christmas.
Merry
Keep
Christmas,
supporting
bye.
us.
Give
Bye.
me Santa gift.
Oh, so he's asking a Santa gift. Please give him a Santa gift, guys.
I'll do homework.
Yeah, that. Okay.
Guys, how was the movie?
Excellent. Nice.
Super, huh? Puchku slept. Excellent. Half time he slept. Not last part he slept actually. But okay. So guys, did you all enjoy?
First movie. First, madam. Yeah, first movie.
500 meters ലാണെന്നാ പറഞ്ഞേ.
First movie, no?
Puchku's first movie in theatre. Like last time he was inside tummy when we were watching Bahubali 2. Bahubali 2.
Oh.
That time Asha was pregnant. First 2 years we didn't want to take him because he was too small. Then by the time Corona came.
250 meters ಇದಾಗಿ right there.
Puchka, next movie was RRR.
Yes.
We are here at the VR Mall with Sanjay and we are at a movie. And that is the VR Bengaluru.
Christmas Eve.
It's the Christmas Eve and
My friend in Australia, uncle, already Christmas over. Beautiful.
Yeah, obviously, and that too summer.
Australia plus 5.
Australia is the only country that celebrates Christmas in summer.
Yeah. New Zealand also.
I mean, no, still Australia is considered summer.
and it's done.
German. Close.
So here we are in Shivagange. It is a mountain hill, so we came here for trekking. It's Christmas Day today, so not much crowded, but still it was crowded, and it's a huge space. So it was around 1,000 something at the top. So we all started our journey at around 10:30. It was too late actually. We should have started little early, but with the kids and everyone, so we couldn't start early from home. So we reached there around 9:30 or something. We started around 9:45 or 10. We started climbing the hill, and we came back with lot of breaks. By around 2:30 we were down. So it was very nice. Kids enjoyed a lot. Yes, it was little bit tiring because we are not that used to trekking, but it was a very good experience, and I think Puchku will continue with this, and he will go for long treks. So stay tuned for more travel updates coming up. This is Shivagange. It is from Bangalore. It is around 2.5 hours journey, so you can go with your family, but yes, it is a little steep. After like 80% when you cover, the rest 20% is little steep, so maybe with little kids like Puchku and all, you can't go, but you can give it a shot no matter. Just a bit exhausted. I mean, if you don't worry about that, you can just go for it. So we stopped at around 80% where we reached there, and kids had some fun there. We asked them to play, and you can see here they both had a lot of fun.
You finished all that.
This is the first point. Actually, most of them stop their journey here if they can't go beyond this, because that is a steep, as I said. So they will stop here and they will have fun here only. So it was very nice journey, and it was very little bit tiring also. So as I said, do plan the travel with your friends or family. It is very nice. You can go and have a peaceful one-day trip to Shivagange from Bangalore. Thank you. How was the summit?
It was really good, but then we are all tired by climbing.
Yeah, that will be there. Don't leave your hands out. Oi, hello.
Look,
First one to disconnect and stop is Mr. Arush, the one and only. Here he is. Huh? Yeah.
I stopped with my parents.
Okay.
So this is the same place where we had our lunch while coming back from Sakleshpur. If you have seen our trip videos, so this is the same place where we had. So after this point there is no place where we can have lunch, so we dropped in here only, and we had our lunch from here and started our journey back to home.
Hey, we wish you a Merry Christmas, Cheppandi. Happy birthday, Kadu.
Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh, yeah.